Hi there, I am Nico. I'm watching this NBA game this afternoon, and I thought, why not create an agent on this? So what I did was I went out and took the NBA stats for these two teams. This is the Pistons and the Thunder, two teams I don't know very well. So I went to the NBA archives, and there's plenty of data about the teams. So I built up a text file for the Pistons and the Oklahoma Thunder here, loaded that up behind my avatar, John, and I'm going to call this a sports companion, right? So my premise here is I can really enrich my experience of watching the game if I can have an agent answer some questions with me as I watch the game. Most of the time when you watch a game like this, you'll get commentary, and that commentary is going to come from sportscasters who have great intention, but that's their view of the game. And as you watch it in your own mind, in your own stream of consciousness, you've got another discussion going on about, who's that player? Where did they go to school? How good are they? What are they getting paid? When did they join the team? So sometimes you want to get that answer, and if you have a really good friend and you're watching the game, you'll ask them that question. And that's very difficult, right? It's very difficult to acquire the knowledge you need to be able to be encyclopedia about the sports knowledge. But an agent can be that. So it can be really interesting to have an agent at your disposal as you watch the game. So for instance, for me, I might say, look, I really don't know these teams. So what is the record for the Detroit Pistons? Oh, ask John, man.
The Detroit Pistons have a record of 5-40 this season.
So 5-40 is not very good. So this would be, a team that's probably near the bottom of their league. So they're going to get beat today because OKC is much better. What is the record of the Oklahoma City Thunder? So OKC, I believe the
Oklahoma City Thunder have a record of 32-13 this season.
So 33-30. I think they're leading their division. Is OKC leading their division? There's Thompson, he's good.
Yes, the OKC Thunder are leading their division, the Northwest Division, with a record of 32-13.
That was a nice shot, too. So let me step back from the game, right? So you get it, right? You could very easily lose yourself in the game. Your sports companion, your agent can be somebody you can converse with while you watch the game. And it really improves the experience. It's kind of simple, and it's very effective. So I would expect the leagues to create agents and then give us the opportunity on our mobile to go ahead and log in and have the agent kind of in our ear so we could ask questions about the players and learn more about our teams and enjoy the game better. Anyway, love these agents, love the voice-enabled experience, think that text-to-speech, speech-to-text, and the avatar itself, the whole experience is just really kind of magic, and I believe it really works well. Thank you.